In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a digital product in Shopify and attach a PDF so customers receive it automatically after checkout. From your Shopify admin, head to the product section. This is your catalog hub where every item you sell lives. Click. Add product to create a new listing. Give your product a clear, benefit-focused title. Think about what your customers are actually searching for. In the description, briefly explain what's inside the PDF, who it's for and how it helps. It's helpful to mention that it's a digital download so buyers know they won't receive anything physical. Set your price based on the value of the content and your market. You can always adjust it later. Scroll to product type and choose or create a type that matches your PDF, like guide, template, or ebook. This keeps your store organized and can help with filtering and analytics. Next, set the product status to active so it's eligible to appear in your storefront once everything is ready. Click Save. Saving now ensures your product exists in your store's database, which is important because we're about to attach a file to it. Now go to Apps in your admin and open the Shopify App Store. Here, install the Digital Downloads app provided by Shopify. This app adds a secure way to deliver files automatically after purchase. Once installed, it integrates directly into your product pages in the admin so you can attach files without extra setup. Return to products and open the product you just created. You'll now see a digital download section on the product page. Click Add File, choose your PDF from your computer and upload it. Use the final version of your document, give the file a clear name, and make sure it's optimized so it downloads quickly for your customers. Wait for the upload to finish. Larger files can take a moment depending on your connection. When the file is attached, click Save again. That's the key step that locks in the connection between your product and its PDF. From this point on, when a customer buys the product, Shopify will provide a download link on the order status page and in their confirmation email managed by the Digital Downloads app. If you don't immediately see the Digital Downloads section on your product, double check that the app is installed and refresh the page. That's it, your PDF product is set up and ready to sell. Keep your description clear, your file well named, and remember to save at each stage to avoid losing changes.